Engineer Max Schaefer. We're introducing the new StandPipe Kit that is going to come with all new apparatus when they come online. We will have a laminated sheet in each one that's going to describe the setup. We have the friction loss for the specific lines that we may be stretching off of it, and then how it is attached to the standpipe. Every kit will come with 2 spanner wrenches. We will have a gate valve that we attach to the standpipe that allows us to set the pressures. It has an inline pressure gauge that gives us the ability to see the pressures at the standpipe as we're flowing, and a high-rise elbow with a relief valve in case pressure gets trapped in the line between the door and the gate valve. We can relieve that pressure and continue advancing the line.
Alright, so we have a reported fire 2 floors above. We're going to bring our StandPipe kit and all of our hose bundles to the floor below. Another crew is going to go up and confirm the fire location is actually the next floor up. And once we confirm the fire location, we're going to start the standpipe connection. We'll start by opening the standpipe cap. We're going to look inside and look for any obvious obstructions. Then we're going to crack it open and flow water, trying to flush out any debris. The water may not actually flow clear. It could be very dirty, rusty, orange, brown. We're just looking to try to flush out any major obstructions, tennis balls, Coke cans, rats, nests, anything like that. The first piece of equipment that we're going to put on the standpipe is the gate valve. This is going to allow us to fully open the standpipe connection and then control our overall pressure with the gate valve. You spin the gate valve on, and once that's on, you're going to make sure it's closed. Next piece of equipment that's going to go on the stack is the inline pressure gauge. This is going to allow us to send the correct amount of pressure based on the lengths that we need to make it to the fire location. The face of this gauge should be facing the standpipe wheel operator as best we can get it. And the last piece to go on the stack is going to be the elbow, which gives us a little bit of bend relief for the hose connection. All right, once all that's connected, we can take our first piece of high-rise hose and connect it. And once all this hose gets flaked out, we can open the standpipe wheel all the way, wait for the call for water, and then we'll control our standpipe pressure with the gate valve until the pressure is indicated for the amount of lengths of hose that we needed and the elevation. Okay, now the procedure for a secondary line. We can only use 1 standpipe connection per outlet, so we're going to put our standpipe stack here on the floor below the fire so that the standpipe wheel operator can operate both lines from one position. So we're going to bring a 50-foot stack of hose to the floor below the fire, and we're going to make our gate connection and our pressure connection on this piece of hose. We've now created a remote standpipe connection to the floor below the fire. We're going to set that down on the ground and connect any additional hose as needed. Now we're going to take the female coupling and walk it down to the next floor below the fire, which will be 2 total floors below the fire. This backup connection can now be fully charged, and the standpipe operator on the floor below the fire can control both connections from one location.